Have you ever hit the gas and felt your engine struggle like an old friend running out of breath? It's frustrating, right? What if I told you there's a simple and powerful trick to make your engine feel brand new again? Welcome back to All About Mechanism. It starts with something every car needs: oil. Think of oil as the lifeblood of your engine. When it's dirty, your engine is basically trying to run through mud. The engine drags, parts grind, and you feel it in every shift and acceleration. But the moment you pour in fresh oil, it's like your engine has been awakened. Everything slides smoothly, your car breathes easier, and that old sluggish feeling vanishes. And while we're giving your engine a new lesson on life, let's talk about the air filter, the engine's lungs. If that filter is choked with dust and debris, your engine is suffocating. It's like trying to breathe through a straw filled with cement. Every breath your engine takes is weakened, so performance lags. Replace that filthy filter and imagine the relief. Your car takes a deep breath. Fresh air flows freely. The engine revs more eagerly and you feel power coming back every time you press the pedal. It's as if your car just woke up from a long slumber. Next up, fuel injectors. These tiny valves spray fuel into your engine, but over time they get gummed up with grime. Dirty injectors are like clogged arteries. Fuel can't flow properly. The result? Lower mileage, rough idling, and sluggish performance. But a quick cleaning or fuel system treatment can clear that buildup. Suddenly, fuel sprays cleanly into the engine. Combustion is stronger, and your car feels like its old, peppy self again. You might even see improved gas mileage and feel smoother acceleration every time you drive. Now for a spark of life. Spark plugs. They ignite the fuel-air mixture in your cylinders, but when spark plugs get old and fouled, they start misfiring. That means hesitations, jerks, and lost power right when you need it. Swap in a fresh set of plugs, and it's like giving your engine a shot of adrenaline. Suddenly, the engine runs smoother, acceleration snaps back, and you feel that lost power surge under your foot. You won't believe the difference a little spark can make. Don't forget about carbon buildup in the throttle body and intake. Over thousands of miles, sticky gunk can choke the airflow. It's like a spiderweb choking your engine's breath, causing laggy throttle response and rough idling. Cleaning the throttle body and intake is like clearing that web. Suddenly air flows freely again. The difference is amazing. Throttle response becomes quick and sharp, and you'll literally feel the engine wake up, ready to go, go, go. Finally, here's a bonus. WD-40. It's not inside the engine. Spray it on the engine bay, the outside surface is under your hood, with the engine off. It cuts through grease and grime on metal parts, hoses, and those hard-to-reach spots. WD-40 dissolves the nasty buildup and even leaves a thin, protective film to prevent rust. Wipe everything clean, and you'll see your engine bay sparkle. It won't make the engine run faster, but it will make your whole engine compartment look brand new. It's like giving your car a spa day. That pride you feel makes even a regular drive feel special. Combine all these steps: fresh oil, new air filter, clean injectors, fresh spark plugs, and a sparkling clean throttle body and engine bay, and your engine will feel like it did on day one. Every drive will be smoother, every start will be powerful, and you'll fall in love with your car all over again. So what are you waiting for? If this video fired you up, smash that like button, leave a comment with your own car care tip or story, and subscribe for more game-changing engine advice.